Welcome to the Angular AI AssistView tutorial. With this Syncfusion Angular AI AssistView component, you can easily send prompts, execute commands, and interact with AI through an intuitive toolbar. Plus, you can receive instant AI-generated responses or connect to powerful services like OpenAI and Azure Cognitive Services for real-time assistance. In this video, I will show you how to create an Angular application and add the Syncfusion Angular AI AssistView component with a few of its basic features. Let me start with the application creation process. I'm going to create an Angular application by making use of the Angular CLI tool. Make sure you have installed the latest version of Node.js. I will use Visual Studio Code as my editor and show the output in the Chrome browser. To create a project in Angular, I open Visual Studio Code and install the Angular CLI using the command npm install -g at angular/CLI. I use the ng new project name command and name my project my Angular app. I am going to create a project with a CSS style sheet, so I choose the CSS option. The project creation has started. Now let me navigate to the project folder. To use the AI AssistView component, I type the command npm install at Syncfusion/ej2 Angular interactive chat --save to install the chat package with its dependencies. The application is now ready to use. The first thing I must do here is register the trial license key to use Syncfusion components. So I open the main TS file and import the register license method from the Syncfusion ej2 base package. Using this method, I register the trial license key. For instructions on generating this license key, refer to the link in the description below. Now, the application is configured to use Syncfusion Angular components. Next, I navigate to the app component TS file and import the AI AssistView module from the Syncfusion Angular interactive chat package. Then register it within the imports array of the component section. To add CSS reference for the Angular AI AssistView component, import the necessary CSS references in the styles CSS file. Now I'll add the Angular AI AssistView component to the application. I open the app component HTML file and remove its default content first. Now I will add a division tag with a class AI AssistView to align the element. Then include the AI AssistView component tag with the specified height and width. This creates an interactive chat interface where users can ask questions and receive responses from the AI system. I navigate to the styles CSS file and add margin styles to align the component. I run the application using the command ngserve. You can see the interactive chat interface. Notice the text input box at the bottom. I can type any question and receive a response from the AI system. Now let's look at how to handle user prompts through the prompt request event. This event captures user prompt requests and generates AI responses. I'll demonstrate this with a simple function that returns dummy responses. First, I create a reference to the component instance. To do that, I add an ID AI AssistView component in the AssistView tag. Then I define a not null variable named AI AssistView component of type AI AssistView component using the viewChild directive. To use these, I import them from its respective packages. Next, I define an array called prompts containing some common questions and their responses. Each object has a prompt and a response, allowing the component to offer predefined answers without an external connection. Next, I define onPrompt request function, which takes an argument of type prompt request event args. I import it from interactive chat package. This argument contains information about the user's prompt, and you can use it to set the response. Inside this method, I use setTimeout to create a small delay simulating AI response time. I define foundPrompt and default response. I check whether the user's prompt is a predefined one. If none of the preset prompts match, I return a default message explaining how to integrate an external AI service. This message will be used when there is no specific predefined response for the prompt. Finally, I set the onPromptRequest function to the promptRequest event. Now, when I type a predefined prompt like, "How do I prioritize my tasks?" a Stop Responding button will appear. Clicking this button will pause the AI's response. Notice that the corresponding response appears here. For unknown prompts, like "What is AI?" the component displays the default response. Now let's configure prompt suggestions. These suggestions offer users helpful hints for common questions. I define the array variable named prompt suggestions and assign the prompts, "How do I prioritize my tasks?" and "How can I improve my time management skills?" These suggestions will be displayed in the AI Assist view, making it easy for users to start interacting with AI. Finally, I assign this array variable to the prompt suggestions property. Look now, the predefined prompts are shown in the component. When I select the prompt, the appropriate response will show here. Next, let's add some toolbar settings to enhance the user experience. For this example, I'm including a refresh icon aligned to the right. First, I define the toolbar settings object of type toolbar settings model. I then import this from the chat interactive package. Inside this, I set the items property and I add icon CSS property with classes like eIcons and eRefresh. Then, I align it to the right. Then, I assign this object to the toolbar settings property. Now the component displays the refresh icon on the top right. Next, I will show you how to use templates in the AI Assist View component. The AI Assist View offers several template options to customize elements like the banner, prompt item, response item, prompt suggestion item, and footer. In this case, I will use a banner template to display additional information such as a welcome note in the AI Assist view. To do this, I add an ngTemplate tag with an ID banner template to customize the top section of the Assist view. This is the prominent section to which I can add a title or introductory text. Inside it, create a division tag with a class banner content to structure and style the banner. I then add a division tag with the classes eIcons and eAssistView icon, which pull in an AI-related icon from Syncfusion library. Next, I add a title to the template by including a heading tag with the appropriate text to display next to the icon. Then, to add a subtitle, I add another division tag with descriptive text. Next, I apply basic CSS like text align justify content to center the text in the banner for a clean, visually appealing look. Now you can see the AI Assist view rendered with the customized banner template. Let me summarize. I showed you how to add Syncfusion Angular AI AssistView component along with a few of its basic features. If you want to try out the example used in this video, download it from the GitHub link in the description below. I have also shared a link in the description to learn about obtaining a free license key to use our Angular components through our community license if you are eligible. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel.